Good morning. How are you all? I hope you have enjoyed your Ganpati vacation. Now let's get back to study. So, children, as you know, we have already started our Oxford Advantage Little Champs Animals book, right? That is a theme 3 book. And on that book, we have completed what? We have already completed number 1, straight line down, right? We have completed number 1 and ma'am has told you that we have one nose, one sun, one moon, right? And not only we have learned how to write number 1, because you have written in this book, you have traced, right? You have done ear tracing, you have made number 1 with your clay, and we have done this coloring part also. You have colored one rabbit, one bird and one cat. So we have learned how to write 1 and we have learned how to count one number objects, right? And after that, what we have done? Number 2. Yes, around and back on the railway track makes a number 2. Remember, we have done ear dressing. You have made number 2 with your clay. We have completed the number 2 work in your textbook, and you have learned we have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, right? We have discussed so many things about number 2, and we have learned how to count 2 objects. You have counted 2 butterfly and then you have colored. You have counted 2 frogs and then you have colored, right? Same with elephants. There were so many elephants were given, but you have counted only 2 elephants and you have colored, right? So, children, today we will learn a new number. Which number? Can you guess? Because you know the numbers, right? 1, 2, we will come next. 3. Children, show me your 3 fingers. 3. This is number 3. So let's see. Yes, number 3 in your book. Okay, so first what we will do? We will count some objects or we will do a tracing. You tell me. First we will count some objects. First let's start from your book. So first mangoes are there. Let's see how many mangoes are there. Okay children, take your pencil. Ma'am is taking her virtual brush. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many mangoes? 3. Let's see how many cupcakes are there. I will take some another color. Okay, let's count. Take your pencil and count along with me. And the way ma'am is counting, follow that. It will help you to count properly. So 1, 2, 3. How many cupcakes? How many cupcakes? 3. 1, 2, 3. Children, show me 3. Next, wow, butterflies. Let's see how many butterflies are there. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. Okay. So, let's count some more objects. Keep your book aside. Okay? Keep it aside. Oh, balloons. Let's see how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Let's go to next object. Apples. An apple a day keep your doctor away. But यहाँ पे 3 apples है. You want to see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many apples are there? 3 apples. Do you want to count more objects? Okay, only okay. This fishes we will count, then we will go to our book pages. Okay, so let's see how many fishes are there. Take some another color. 1, 2, 3. See, 3 fishes are there in this fish tank. So children, we have counted so many objects, but we have counted actually 3 objects. So many types of objects. We have counted fish, we have counted apples, we have counted balloons, and in a book we have counted mangoes, then muffins, then butterflies, right? Now we will start writing. But as we have done in number 1 and number 2, we will do air tracing. Let's start. With your finger, one curve, another curve, and make your number 3. Once again, one curve, another curve, and make your number 3. Children, you will not lift your pencil. See, one curve, another curve, make your number 3. Yes, this is the way we can make number 3. Even we can make number 3 with our clay also, right? How to make number 3? You have to make curve, one curve and second curve, and you have to join these two curve, then it will be number 3. So once again, one curve, second curve, number 3. Children, while writing we will not lift our pencil. You want to see? Let's see. Ma'am is going to follow this arrow. See this arrow. When you see this arrow, can you see arrows here? Yes. You will see it was continuous. See, here I started, here I go and go. Okay, I have not lifted my pencil, my brush. Yes, how I am showing you here. I have gone this way and this way. See, I have not, children, remember, I want to just show you one thing. Don't write like this. One curve likha, then I remove my pencil, again I go and write one curve. So, it will, does it look like number 1? No, it is not looking like number 3. It is looking like something different. So, what ma'am is saying, you have to follow that. Don't lift your pencil. Okay, to write number 3. Now again take your pencil and we will trace this number 3 here. So children, join the dots. See, ma'am is using brush, that's why it is not coming, virtual brush not coming properly. You have to fill up, you have to follow the dots properly. I am telling you, if you, as you are writing with pencil, right? So join the dots. It's trace, na? So you have to move your pencil over the dots, not like ma'am was doing. That is wrong, because it will not looks like 3. See, again I am doing. Is it looking like 3? No, na? It is not. So children, do it very nicely and very carefully. So complete your tracing, and before start doing tracing, you can do air tracing. One curve, second curve, and we get our number 3. Now children, you have once you will complete this page, we will move to next page. Yes, this is your page number 30. You have already, remember, you have done the coloring of number 1 object and number 2 objects. Here what you have to do, just now which number you have learned? Number 3. So we have to count only 3 objects and then we have to color. So what you will do, last time also I said, we will first count and circle the objects. Afterwards we start coloring. So first they have asked color 3 parrots. So we will circle 3 parrots. Only we will color that circle parrots. Okay, children, you have to count any three objects से आपको count करना है, not more than that. So everyone take your pencil and start. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You have circled 3 parrots. Now you start coloring. Now what is the color of parrot? You know. So follow that color code. Parrot can be black, can be pink. So be careful. You know the color of parrots, right? Yes. Now they have asked to color 3 fish. They have written fish, but it looks like a whale. Yes. So you color accordingly. But before coloring, what we have to do? We have to circle 3 fish, right? We have to count 3 fish and we will put circles. So it will be easy for us to color. Why ma'am circle? Because children, if I put a slanting line over the fish, so how we will color, right? We can't color it, so that's why I'm making a circle around the fish. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. I have counted 3 fishes, so I will color only this 3 circle fish. I will not color the remaining fish which is out of circle. Circle के बाहर भी एक fish है, उसको नहीं color करना है, because they have asked us to color only 3 fish. Okay, now 3 sheep. Children, you can see there are so many sheep, right? काफ़ी सारे हैं, but you have to color how many? Only 3. 3 sheep you have to color. Okay, so take your pencil and count any 3 sheep and circle around them. 1, 2, 3. Stop counting because we will count only 3. Now you have circled all those things. Now start coloring. As I said, parrot will be green, and the second one means fish. See, this they have said fish, but this actually looking like a whale, because if you see, it has a small hole on the head like whale. So you can put color. What is the color of the whale? You know very well, right? Is it a pink? Is it yellow? Is it green? No. Yes. So do accordingly. Now come to this one. You know the color. You have seen, right? Photos of sheep. And yes, children, don't use black color. Why? Yes, I know sheep can be black color, but black color is very naughty color. They spoil full pages. They are very naughty. Yes. So don't touch black color. Use any other color. White can be, brown can be, light brown. You have seen so many kind of sheep, right? But don't put black color. I know you will say, ma'am, black color is there. I know. But don't touch beta, because this black color, as I said, naughty color. It will spoil all your color, all parrots color, the fish color, everything it will spoil. Okay? So don't use black color. Now children, what you will do? Start your work. Until then, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.